Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Chevy Malibu headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a new bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine is cool before starting any work. This prevents accidental injury and ensures a safe working environment. You will need to locate the headlight assembly, which is typically found behind the front bumper. Now, let's get to accessing the bulb. You'll need to remove the two 10mm bolts that secure the entire headlight assembly. Once those are out, gently pull the headlight assembly forward. It should detach from its mounting points with a little careful effort. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing down on its release tab and pulling it away from the housing. With the headlight assembly free, you can now replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing and carefully pull it out. When inserting the new bulb, make sure to twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Remember, always avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector to your new bulb. Then, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it aligns correctly. Don't forget to check the description below for a fantastic deal on some incredibly durable socks, plus other great offers. Finally, secure the headlight assembly by reinserting and tightening the two 10mm bolts. Test your new headlight to ensure it's working perfectly before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.